Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be going over 12 websites where you can start generating money online. So if you want to start making money online and having the freedom to work from anywhere, this video is for you. So make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, and to show me some love by leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive into the 12 websites. So the first place I wanted to talk about is Udemy. And Udemy has been around for a very long time. And with Udemy, you could upload and sell online courses of any topic, skill, or language. Now, it's a really neat place. You can find a lot of information, even for your own self, if you're trying to learn something new. Let's say you wanted to learn about digital marketing. You could just search for it. It'll give you all these different courses that they have on digital marketing. And as you can see, this is a course that is normally sold for $199. On Udemy, it's sold for $12.34. So this person has sold over 308,000 courses. So they're making millions on Udemy, basically. And Udemy, you will find the prices a little bit more discounted than other websites. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking for something more of a bargain, a little bit cheaper, and you want to learn something new, Udemy is the place to be. But Udemy, all you have to do is, if you know a little bit more on a specific topic, whether it's knitting, whether it's a language, all you have to do is create a couple videos, upload it, price it, and just let the sales come in. So I highly recommend, if you are thinking of creating an online course, considering adding your course on udemy.com. Now, the second place I want to talk about is Teachable. And Teachable is similar to Udemy. It's a platform where you could sell your online course as well. But the difference is that you could set your prices a lot higher. Now, I teach, or I sell, my Mastering Pinterest course on Teachable. I will leave the link below if you guys are interested in taking it. And with Teachable, you're able to charge whatever price you want, basically. You could charge $99. You could charge $1,200 for a course. It really depends on the value of your course and what price you want to set it up. So if you're looking for something that you could charge a little bit more, then Teachable is the platform for you. Now, the third website I wanted to talk about is Upwork. And Upwork is a platform for people that go in there to hire freelance for their next projects. So if you have any particular skills, you could pretty much get started on Upwork as a freelancer. So you could go in here, you could start selling your job, or you could literally just sign up for an account, upload your bio, and then every single time somebody posts a job that describes what particular skill that you have, you're able to go ahead and bid on that job to see if that person will go ahead and assign the job to you. So it's a really, really great platform. You can make any type of money because it really depends on the price point that you want to set. But it's a place that people hire freelancers to create projects for them. So if you have any type of skill, whether it's social media, whether it's graphic design, whether it's creating websites, it doesn't matter. Any particular skills you have, you could get started on Upwork. Now, Fiverr is similar to Upwork, but Fiverr has a lower budget. So Upwork, you could make a lot more money. With Fiverr, even though there are people now making, it used to be $5 and below, everything was like $5. Now everything, there's starting points at $50, the starting point at $200. It really depends on what that person sells. These are natural. This person sells voiceover for $100, so they could do a voiceover for you. So if you have any talent, any skills, you could come in here, set up an account, and start selling your services. You could start as low as $5, but you could definitely raise it up all the way to $300, $400, whatever price you want to do. But this is a really, really renowned website. A lot of people know about it, and it's a great marketplace for freelancers to start generating a lot of money. Now, the next one I want to talk about is Creative Market. I've done many videos on Creative Market, and Creative Market is basically an online marketplace for community design assets, basically. So they sell like graphic designs, WordPress themes, stock photography, and any type of digital products that web creators will need. So if you browse through their website, you'll see all the stuff that they sell. And people could come here and buy products or services for their business. Everything is a digital download. You can make money with Creative Market two different ways. You could sign up and sell your products and services on Creative Market by bulk. And when people buy, you could sell multiple of the same item over and over and over. Or you could become a affiliate marketer like myself. So I do affiliate marketing. And this is how I promote the products using Pinterest. And this is how much I've earned. You get 10% of every earning. And it's a really great way to make money online, make some passive income on the side. So for instance, for the month of, let's say October last month, I made on Creative Market, I'll show you so you guys could get an idea. I made $176. So it's not anything that's going to make you rich overnight, but it is extra money that you could invest back into your business. It is extra money that you could use for, let's say, if you want to do marketing or you want to use it for something else in your business, basically. But I generate anywhere from 100 to 250 every month. And I only share this on Pinterest. And I have some creative assets on my blog, but mostly on Creative Market, on Pinterest, and also on my YouTube channel by linking links to Creative Market. But that's the only two places that I promote it actively. But I highly recommend checking out Creative Market. The quality of the products are so great that people will buy when they see whatever you're promoting. So just keep that in mind. It's worth checking it out, and it's worth making, whether you want to make your own products or you want to become an affiliate for them. Now, the next website I want to talk about is Votto, and this is like another online marketplace that sells creative assets. So just like Creative Market, the only thing with Votto, the price is a little bit higher, so the commissions are a little bit more. And they have so many things that you could sell, or that you could promote, or that you could sell as well. So you could become an affiliate marketer for them if you like, or you could actually promote your own products and services. So you could sell digital assets, you could sell tutorials and courses, you could sell websites, you could sell, people could hire you as a designer or developer. So there's so many things that you could do. You could design logos, videos, mockups, and much more on Votto. So I highly recommend checking them out and see if this is a place for you that will work out for you. Another great place to start making money online is Amazon affiliate. So if you join the Amazon affiliate program, you could start earning 10% on every single sale that you make. And with Amazon Associate, you could promote the products on Pinterest if you like. You could promote the products to your email list. You could do a blog post of the top 10 trending items for 2020. Or you could simply just, if you have your favorite items that you like your favorite camera, you could start just linking that, whether it's on your YouTube video or whether it's an email that you send out to people, just linking. And if anybody purchases, then you make money from it. But it is a great platform to sell. Everybody trusts Amazon. It's huge. So a lot of people make a killing. I know people that make $9,000-$10,000 a month with Amazon Associates. So I highly recommend checking them out. The next platform is one of my favorite platforms, is Clickbank. And it's another affiliate marketing program. And the nice thing about them is that you can make anywhere from 75 to 90% and sometimes 100% of commission. So I'll give you an idea. If you were to sell this particular product here, your average commission would be 181. So it just shows you how much money you can make by promoting these particular products. You get an average sale of 75%. And these are all numbers that you could read down here. Rebilling, meaning that if This is a monthly membership. So if the person keeps the membership, you could make an average of 274 per month additional as well on top of your first commission. So it's really, really neat because a lot of affiliate marketing programs, like I just mentioned, they pay you 10%, maybe 25%. But with Clickbank, you make anywhere from 75 all the way to 100%. So just keep that in mind. The commissions are very, very high. You could sell 10 items here and make 1,000, and I could sell 100 items on Creative Market to make $200. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking for something that makes a little bit more money, then Clickbank would be the place for you. Now, the next place I want to talk about is 99 Designs. And it's a really neat place. It's been around for a very long time as well. And you could pretty much get a custom design for any creative platform that you need it for. So if someone is looking for something unique, then 99 Design is the place to be, because unlike the other websites where you create a product and you resell it multiple times, on 99 Designs, whatever you get here is strictly unique because it's based on what you wanted as a buyer. So if you're able to sell products, you know how to create logos, this is the place to be. If you know how to create websites, book covers, anything, any digital assets, you could sign up, become a seller here. And what happens is somebody will put a job. They'll say, I need a logo for my website. This is what I need. And people start bidding, pricing, and then the buyer will choose who they want the designer to be. So it's a really neat place where you could start making passive income for 2020 for sure. Now, the next website is called Teespring. And Teespring is really cool because it's a marketplace for anyone out there that creates beautiful designs. So whether you created the design or you purchased the rights of the design, you could upload it on Teespring. And if somebody buys, let's say, the product, Teespring handles the rest. Like, they do the production, they do the shipping, they do everything else for you. And they pay you because of the design, basically. So you will, let's say this was your design, you would just upload it, and somebody's searching for a dog or some type of yoga pose. They find it, they love it, they end up buying it in a t-shirt form, or they end up putting it on a sweater. When the person buys, you make a commission based on whatever was uploaded, and you make money from it. Basically, you're making money from your own design, and they handle the rest. So this is a great way to make passive income, especially if you are an illustrator and you know how to draw, uploading all these amazing designs that you create on Teespring and just letting them sit there, and you'll start making money from this. So check it out, especially if you know how to create designs. Now, the next website is Votto Market, or it's also known as teenforest.com. They're also a part of Votto Market, and it's a marketplace for WordPress themes, websites, and digital templates. You could pretty much buy anything here for your business, basically. So if you, again, know how to create websites, know how to create themes, know how to do digital templates, any types of plugins, e-commerce plugins, hosting, email marketing templates, this is a place to be. You could start selling it right away. And one thing to keep in mind is that if you have all these talents and you know how to create a website, what you could do is essentially you could sell your website in ThemeForest, you could sell your website in Creative Market, you could sell your website in Votto, all these other websites that I just talked about. And you could essentially have one product in 5 different websites and make it work for you. And you can make a good living out of that. So just keep that in mind, that once you create that one product, you could sell it in multiple websites as well. So that's the nice thing about digital assets. And the last one I wanted to talk about is Blue Schick. I love them. My website, nancybadillo.com, is a website that I purchased from them. And I buy a lot of stuff from them. I have bought social media templates and landing pages, but they also sell magnet pages and much more. So if you go to shop, you're able to kind of go through here and see all the different things that they sell. But they basically sell feminine WordPress themes. So if you are a woman looking for something feminine, something beautiful, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's your first blog. This is one of the top websites that I always recommend people to come to. They have beautiful designs, very easy to install. And if you cannot install it yourself, this is a duo partner. Is her husband, is the lady that owns Blue Schick and her husband, and they work together. So he is the actual installer. If you can't install it for yourself for a small fee, they go ahead and install everything for you, which I highly recommend. But you can make money with them in the sense of affiliate marketing. They have an affiliate program and they pay pretty good. They pay, some of their affiliate programs start at 25%. Sometimes they go all the way to 30 or more. You would just have to keep an eye on whatever specials they're currently running. But you will technically be selling their products and services and making a commission. But their products and services are so beautiful that you will make money. Trust me, you will make money. I make a lot of money promoting their products and services because they're so beautiful. So just keep that in mind. This is another great website where you could become an affiliate marketer for them. I will leave all the links of all the websites I just talked about in below this video in the text box description, in case you guys want to kind of work on each one and see which one you guys want to start selling online. If you guys have any questions of any of these websites, make sure that you leave a comment below. And thank you guys for watching.